Hi, this is my Pong Lab, and let's start by looking at my paddle class. My paddle class includes all the important information needed to move the paddles. It extends the superclass of block, which allows for the construction and painting of different rectangles. The unique constructors call the constructors of block, as well as set the speed of the paddle. Right here we can see all the different ways that we can move and draw the paddle, and the 2 string right there is if we wanted to print out some of the paddle's information. The different balls can be seen right here. We start with the main ball class, or the ball superclass, with the other, which the other balls are child classes of. And we can see here that the ball class extends the block superclass and it implements the collidable interface. The methods included in the collidable interface are implemented right here, and I use these different collision detectors to implement the collision processor method, which tells us what to do if it does detect a collision. And these are the different balls. They all call unique things: speed up ball, blinky ball, and yeah, let's start testing the balls. Pong.java is the class that actually constructs the graphic user interface, and then the game.java class constructs the window over which the graphic user interface is implemented. And let's test the speed up ball first, I believe. Yep. It's getting faster as we hit every obstacle, and scoring works as well. As when the right side block missed, it increased the left side score by 1, and same will happen for the right side if we just let the left side miss one. Let's try like this, and yep, there you go. Let's test the invisible ball next. As you can see, our ball went invisible for a certain amount of time, and there it goes again. And here we can see that you can see it again, and the time at which it goes invisible is at random times. I'm calling a math.random times 400, and I'm checking to see if that math.random is equivalent to 3. Only then our invisible will be implemented. Only then the block will actually go invisible. And as we can see, that in the case that I do miss a block, like I did right there or right here, our block respawns in the middle or a little bit closer to the left, and it actually becomes invisible again. Where's the... there it is. And we can see here, if I miss, invisible. Yeah, it works properly. Let's check out the blinky ball last. This one is supposed to change colors every time we're moving, and as you can see, it does change its color. And scoring works fine on this one too. Let's say left player scores, and yeah. If I really wanted to, I could combine these different classes, but it might make the game a little bit laggy. And yeah, that concludes my project demonstration.